Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to check pending deposits on your Chime account, whether you're waiting for a paycheck or a transfer. Knowing how to check pending deposits is essential. So let's dive in. Open the Chime app or go to your Chime website. Now, enter your login credentials, that is, your username or and password. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, you'll land on your Chime account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Transactions, Activity, or Recent Transaction. Tap or click on this section to expand it. In the transactions list, look for entries labeled as pending. These entries represent deposits that have been initiated but are not yet fully processed. You may see pending deposits from direct deposits, transfer, or other sources. To view more details about a pending deposit, tap or click on the transaction entry. You should see information such as the deposit amount, the expected date of availability, and any notes related to the deposit. And that's all there is to it. Checking pending deposits on Chime is a straightforward and helps you to stay informed about your finances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.